Alright, so I hope I'm back here now with the live streaming part 4. I've changed some settings, so I hope there is not a huge delay this time. So let me actually test that one time. 1, 2, 3. And I think that there's still a little bit delay there. Maybe it's a little bit faster, but it's still a delay. So actually go back to this. Just taking some links here into the chat there quickly and pin that message. And when I pin the message, you should see that at the top. Okay, cool. Let me see if my friend from Discord is still around. It's not working, sir. Okay. I just started a fresh. Okay, let me find the link. I want to quickly make a sell here, and okay, I'm selling right there. Okay, so I open up a new live stream and want to welcome you here on my YouTube channel. If you're brand new, please help the channel. I'm doing more live trading sessions in the upcoming week. I'm just trying to show you guys what I'm doing, and I'm really grateful for you to be a subscriber. 25 subscribers since I started the channel in September. And I actually started the live stream in November, so in October I'm not doing very much, and I still have 25 subscribers, so thank you so much for helping me out. Be a subscriber here on my channel. When you see the live stream as a replay, please leave me a comment. Let me know in the comments below the video what is, what you like, what you don't like, and how I can improve and stuff like that. Join my Discord. There is a link. You can join the Discord for free. You can also become a premium chat subscriber for $97 a year. We do some group coaching calls next week to actually focus on teaching how to trade the forex market. Right now I'm just trading in front of you, so you have a feeling about what I'm doing. And as you can see, I'm waiting for the price to come to the buy limit I put here. I sold at that level, 10690 is the price. I sold a 001 microlot, and we're talking about all those details in the Discord and on those group coaching calls, so that you understand what's going on. If you are brand new to trading and this looks interesting to you, I have a very small account, only $35 on this. It's not optimal to start with. I recommend at least $100, $200. So you can manage the risk a little bit better. Last week I made some mistakes due to my personal challenges, and I am just yesterday I just accepted my loss, so that I'm not paying overnight fees and stuff like that, but I can just focus on getting good again, and that means that when I'm for the day, you can see there is a 5.11% profit already, based on the current situation. So let me actually check the live stream here on my phone. Okay, good. It's streaming, and I'm not sure if my friend is already back. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the price to hit, and let me go back to the chart quickly. So let's see how fast that goes. Okay, there is still a delay, but it's better than before. And just in time, I am almost having another profit in a bit. So let me check. Okay, almost there. Tagged the line, almost there, but missed it for a moment. Still waiting for this to continue to the downside. I'm trading the Euro-US dollar here with my broker, and I'm scalping the market, which means I am going in and out really fast. That is at least my goal. And also my goal is $40 for the day. I started with $33.66, so it's like $7. If I am going to the spreadsheet and put in $7, that would be 20% for the day, based on a very small account, okay? And I'm not risking too much if I don't get it today. No big deal. Right now I have only $1.72. It's 5% already based on a very small account. If you have $100, that is only like 2%, less than 2%, which is already good enough. As a conservative goal, most of the traders anyway target like 5% a week. Everything good. And now I'm triggered with another profit, and if I am taking that off, multiple close buy, I have now $35.58, $35.50. My spreadsheet, I messed it up. Okay, what is the profit? $1.92, 5.7%. So if I go for the spreadsheet, you can see I've updated the spreadsheet. This is the current situation, $1.92. Now the profit, 5.7% for the day. Let's go back to the chart and see if there is another opportunity. So it's still pumping to the downside a bit, but I am not taking trades at this moment. Just be patient to see what's happening. And I'm actually going for a long here, which means I'm buying, and I'm setting the target right there. I know it's, when you do trades, I'm doing a lot of trades with small targets as a scalper, just to be sure I'm just taking profits more than losses. And when I'm talking about losses, I'm actually dollar cost average the price, which means that when the market goes against me, I'm just finding a better entry and wait for the target to be hit. Worst case scenario, I am having a lot of trades as a sequence, a small trading account like $30, $50, $100, and make like 2-5% a day or something, because not every trade will be good. but we are finding good trades during the day. As a scalper, you have a lot of opportunities. So if you're taking that as a business and trade full-time, it's actually a really good way to make money, just sitting in front of a computer and yeah, in front of the chart, and you know. So when I close that now, my new balance is $35.71. The account history shows the latest one is another 15-cent profit minus the commission, so it's only 13 cents. But the profit for the day is $2.05. If I update that in the spreadsheet, $2.05. Now the percentage is 6.09% for the day. So I'm adding up and almost at $36, and my target, as I said, is $40, and the day is not even finished. So it's really a good way to make a comeback. Enjoying to show that actually to you live here on YouTube. So if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and help me out. Leave me a comment below the video about what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see next time. I have already made a schedule for next week for the next live trading. So I will do that more regularly, at least. Maybe the replay is a little bit better. I will check that out actually. Let me see YouTube. Hold on a second. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think. Yeah, I understand what you're talking about. I still hope. I mean, I'm still. I thank you for watching anyway. Even my setup might not be good enough at this moment, but I will try to fix the quality of my video streams next week. Definitely have a look at what's going on there. Right now, I'm just trying to get familiar more with the OBS platform so I can show you stuff a little bit more smooth. Really appreciate you are with me, because it's really feeling a little bit better, you know, that I'm not talking to myself here on the video stream, but actually can answer some of your questions or comments and stuff like that. So yeah, I remember you said that on the last stream that you're brand new to trading, which is actually good, because that way you are not, how can I say that, you are open up to learn a strategy here, and see if that is something you feel comfortable with, because I'm doing the trading a little bit different than what most of the traders are doing. So if you like what you see, I'm really happy with that. I'm just fixing the price target right now, 870, because I now have two positions, because the market, the price has gone a little bit more up. So I have like two lines with 001 lot, and I make this target a little bit closer here to get out in profit, because I want to minimize my risk and just take a fraction out on each move, just to be sure that that I'm taking the profits. And this is a 1 minute chart, so each of these candles that you see is 1 minute long before it opens a new candle. So I have like 1 minute, I have a 5 minute chart, I have a 15 minute chart, 1 hour chart, and a 4 hour chart. The 4 hour is still pointing to the downside. That is why my bias is actually selling than buying. However, this could be a change in the direction. So when you see the down move, like you make a low, you make a high, you make a lower low and a lower high, which means this low and this low is lower, right? This high and this high, this higher than this. So this is making some sort of a downtrend, right? So if you forget this, because it's a little bit higher here, you still see that we are moving to the downside until this point right there. And now you can see this low and this low is higher, this low is higher. So this could be actually going for an uptrend. So if that is happening, I definitely want to get out fast as possible for the down direction, because I don't want to hold my positions too long. Because this is what this is what you have to do and manage the risk, and managing risk in front of an audience is way different than if you are trading all by yourself alone. No one is watching you. It's a complete different feeling for me. Last week it did not play out very well, but I'm more comfortable today. I'm more relaxed. I have joy again, some happiness to do these live streams. And I'm really happy to have you on the live stream actually. So my target is 6870 and price is about 690. So the drawdown is now at 34 cents, which is 1% for the moment. So what I'm actually doing here is another sell right there, and I change my my target to 80. So I have like 3 positions now in the sell direction, and my target is somewhere here. And see if I can get out quickly. And then let's see what is the result. And I actually have to continue doing some text report stuff this week. And next week I'm starting group coaching calls. If you're watching this video here on live, on replay, make sure to be, to subscribe to the Discord channel, connect with me there, or you can take the offer for $97 as a founding member for the year and join the group coaching calls starting next Tuesday, and working together for the next year, and preparing some training content in the membership side. So I have some students working with them since May, and okay, now I'm triggered. I have everything closed. So $35.71 right now. If I double click on this and multiple close by, the new price is 36.03. So I am now with a profit of $2.37 for the day. If I am going for the spreadsheet, the previous number was $2.05. The new profit is $2.37, which is like 32 cents for this move. So $2.37, 6% before, and now it's 7.04% for the day, and I'm getting closer to my target, which is $40 for the day. And I mean, that was like 11 minutes for now, just to get it up a little bit, and I hope you like what you see so far. I really have to wrap this up for today, because I have to fix a tax report for a long time now, 2020, 21, and 22. I have some pressure there to get that out of the way this week. So we're starting fresh next week. I just wanted to show you quickly how I manage my account a little bit better than last Friday, and I started fresh. I have now $36 in my account. It's not a huge account, which is okay, because my main focus, you as a beginner, that maybe starts with $100, $200 or $300, and want to learn some trading with me. If you are already a trader and you are interested in joining the premium chat and all this, feel free to click that link and join the Discord and take that offer for $97 a year. Be part of my community, and really happy to have you with me in some sort of consolidation phase. So it's going sideways, which means we are in this area here. Here you see it has moved up, and it's making a nice move to the downside. But right now we are kind of in a range, so we have to wait until this is making a decision if that wants to go higher or if that wants to break to the downside again. So this is a 1 minute time frame. If I go for 5 minutes, you see that this down move, you can also see during the day it was going sideways, then we break down, and now the last couple of 15-minute candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is like going up, but the last 45 minutes we are in that kind of range. It's a little bit slowing down. So, and based on the 1 hour, we can see, okay, we have red candles until this end. There is an indecision candle, which means here the change in direction right now on this hour, because you can see red candle, now we are forming a green candle. This might go back up to 107, and the 4 hour chart is still pointing down, but it has a wick already, so this is not closed. But when it's closed, it can either be a red candle, it can form a green candle. You know, like if this was red, for example, this candle was red until it changed direction, left that wick and is closing as a green candle. This one is also weak. If that goes higher and close maybe at 71, this could end up green. So we have a downtrend for now. And I'm a scalper. I'm not trading off the 4 hour. This is only for me to tour a scalper. So I'm looking at 5-minute candles. I look at 1-minute candles. I look at 15-minute candles. And you can see we are breaking a little bit higher. So I just might take one trade to the upside as a last trade, and then close the live trading. So there is definitely a delay with my internet. And the market moves a little bit slow right now, so I just want to catch another quick move, but quick is and those professional traders might look at this. What is this guy doing? I mean, I'm setting the targets and stuff. Yeah, but look when I started trading in 2014, I started with a $20 trading account, 20 euro trading account. Within a week, I turned 20 euros into 150 euros. In another 7 days, I turned 150 to 300 euro. But I didn't know mentorship stuff, because within 1 day I actually make 50% drawdown and stuff like that. But what I'm talking about is with little targets, with a lot of trades taking out of the market, I'm just taking profits, and we're not going broke with taking the profit. The only thing that you have to manage is obviously the risk. So if the market, if I'm waiting for the price to break out, for example, here I was speculating that this might push higher because we had that breakout there, right? So right now I have another trade going on there. For 25. Okay, I'm just setting the new price. Okay, so I have another trade because this was going a little bit down, and I'm not taking more than 2 trades right now, but I am like dollar cost averaging the price, because I'm still speculating that we have another push a little bit higher, and I wanted to get a certain amount for this round, which means that I have changed the target from 106.930 to 25. That's only 5 points, but 5 points can make a difference when it comes to scalping. But if this goes lower, I have to wait a little bit, because the market is moving in waves, right? So if it moves like, if you buy right here, market moves down, and you start buying here and it goes up again, you can find a target that makes sense to close both positions in profit. Or one is having maybe a small loss, and the other has a huge profit, and together it's still a profit, and that is the goal. Is like having a profit for the round that I'm taking. When I'm talking about the round, I'm talking about all the positions I have in the market, and once I close everything for this specific sequence, I want to take a profit for that. And if that profit is 34 cents, it's still 1% profit. Right now I'm down like 20 cents, so I need to wait a little bit and see that if I get another bounce from the moving average there, and maybe a push in that direction, because this is forming some sort of uptrend, but the indicator is already making some lower highs, which means the price is going higher, indicator is going lower. This is called divergence, and divergence can give you an indication that some changes will happen. And the changes is that the momentum to the upside is slowing down. You know, if you throw a ball up in the air, you will speculate that it goes higher and higher and higher, but there is a point in time when it goes slower and then it comes down, right? If there's another wind pushing this ball higher again, you never know. If someone comes into the market and push price one time a little bit higher again, like now you see there is a green candle right now. I am going for 25. There is 17 at the end, so price is at 6916 right now, and I need 106925. 16 to 25 is like 9 points. It's not much, so let's see if I can get that. And after that, I am closing this live trading live stream, and focus on the text report. So once again, if you are brand new, feel free, please help me out and subscribe to my channel. I'm grateful for having 25 subscribers so far. It's a brand new channel. I started in September. I did not do anything in October, or not that much, and I started to do some live streams in November, doing more this month, and see how we can do together. So welcome to my YouTube. I'm trying to get better each time on these live streams, so if you have any feedback for me, leave a comment below the video when you see that on the replay, and let me know what you think, how I can do better, what you like so far, stuff like that would really help me out. Now, in trading you have to have patience. Okay, so if the market is going against you, you have to definitely think in terms of how you manage the risk. So right now, I'm doing one last buy. And putting that right there. Okay, 15. Because I really don't want to be too long in the market right now, I have to do some text report, so I've changed that the price now to 15 instead of 25. Because the overall, so I have an entry at 0.2 to 15 is a profit of 13 points. 11 to 15 is 4 points. And then I have a small loss from 17 to 15 is like 2 points as a negative, but the overall point should be a profit. And this little fella here actually shows me the break-even price is 6,910, and I have a target of 15, is like 5 points more, so that should actually be a profit. But I didn't. A bad entry, you know. If this breaks lower, Okay, this is a risk I'm taking right now, but right now the price is 13. I need 2 more points. 15 is the target, now 14, so 1 more point. Come on, give that push. Give me some love here on the live stream, because I really don't want to go too long here in this call, because I need to focus on a text report afterwards. I missed my target for 1 point. That's screwed up. Come on. Do I get another push to the upside, or is that really going down now? Not liking this. 50-minute candle is closing in 1 minute, and it was a green candle and is now turning red. 5 minutes is already pointing down. The strength is now more to the downside, but maybe we get the last push one last time, please. I'm begging you. Okay, so you see there is a bounce, a little bounce at least from this moving average, but can we get the way up all the way to 15? Let's see. So price is 0.5, I need 15, it's like 10 points. 6, 8, 9. I need 6 points, 5 points, 4 points. Come on. Points. It's like in a range, and the question is, do we get that last push to the upside again? Because we have a low around this area, and we're not really breaking out of this low, but it's not lower than this. This is still a little bit higher. The question is, do the bulls, come? Is there a buyer pushing price above this high and help me out? I really hope that I can get those 12 points, 10 points, because I really need to end the live stream and focus on my text report afterwards. Not really good. Okay, let me buy one last time there and get out at 10. If I get that, that would be awesome. So I change that quickly to 10. Because we had that before with 10, but I'm not very convinced now this goes higher again. This can break lower now. So I need to be careful now. We're speculating a little bit. But it doesn't really look this wants to go higher. So I need to be really careful what is the market doing, because I really don't want to screw it up this time. Okay, so I really need this one push into that area again. But if this breaks lower, I really have to manage the risk accordingly, and I am not going to do this on this live stream. It can take a little while, and I really need to focus on my tax report, and I will just give you the report next week, what is the outcome. But if we get that push, would be nice. So I'm waiting a little bit more, because that would be nice to have on camera as well. See if I can get back to 6, 9, 10. But this has already tagged a little bit this area, and this could break lower. So I hope, and hope is not a good term in trading. You never should hope for something so close to each other, and then when it's breaking to the wrong side, it can have a huge impact. So this sequence is new to trading. This one you should not overdo if you're not feeling too confident with what you're doing. Okay, if you're just getting started, you should not do this with 4 microlots in a very small range like that. This is not good. Okay. So let me get out. I need 6, 9, 10. In 9 minutes, the 1 hour candle closed as well. So let me see actually what the 1 hour is doing. So the 1 hour is still green, and if that closes in green, it would be nice to have that up move. You know, as I'm speculating here, this might be the turning point. However, this can actually break lower again, okay, because this is pretty weak, and this has already formed some sort of downtrend somehow. So we will see who is in charge in a bit. The high on the 1 hour, this can be a green candle with a nice body, right? Right now you don't see too much of a body, and we're talking about those details also and on the training videos and group coaching calls and stuff. But also, I mean, you can find that definitely on YouTube for free, what is a body and stuff. But you know, honestly, if you're working with a mentor, this is why you have a mentor, right? You want to have all the information in one place and condensed or compressed to what is important, rather than, you know, finding all the information in Google and all that stuff on your own. And come on, do I get that push to 10 this time? Don't let me hanging. If that is English, I have no idea. 9 points, come on, push it one more time. Four points, come on, come on, come on. Who's out there and push it? Yeah, bam! So now I got my price at 10910, and that should be a profit. So let's see. We have a balance of 3603 right now. We have a profit at the moment at $2.37. And if I close everything out, that should be actually a little bit higher. So 237, and now we have $2.48. It's not optimal, right? 248. Let's go for the spreadsheet. 248. 248 profit and 237. Is that 11 cent? I guess so, right? So 7.04% profit for the day is now 737. So 11 cent was not optimal for this round, but still a profit, right? So a bad entry, still out in profit. Okay, so let's go back to the chart and see you on the next live trading event. I'm just saying that this was a really bad, not bad, but a little harder move, right? Because it was going down for some time, right? Up to this area, and it's coming back to the same area. So this is still in sideways movement, right? It's not nice. We need to wait for a real breakout, but still $36.14, and we started at 33.66. Not bad for a day, 7%, when most of the traders are doing 1 to 2% a day. If you want to learn more about how I'm managing that stuff, why I'm entering things and stuff, join the Discord first for free and open up a ticket. You can ask me all kinds of questions. There is a $97 offer as a founding member. The class will start next week. Once we start the class, I might close down the registration after we have filled up those spots. 10-15 more students I can work with for next month. So the offer, I have not put in too much information because that was created today with the checkout page on Stripe and stuff. I will break down the offer next week as well on the next live stream. But no, the $97 is normally just a premium chat for the year, the group coaching calls. I have also one-on-one coaching starting at 100 euros per hour. So what I will do for the $97 deal is you get 1 hour one-on-one coaching with me on top. So it's literally a $100 gift, right? You're working with me for a year. You can ask me questions in Discord and all that stuff. So if you're brand new to trading, feel free to join the Discord and connect with me, or just take the offer directly. Use that email address. I will register, give you access to your account within 24 hours. And if something happens, you can just go to the Discord, connect with me, subscribe, so you can help me out for more free content like this. Yeah, next week we will do some more live trading. So have a great rest of your day and have a great weekend. See you on the